The best storage containers. Organizing your home can be daunting unless you have the right storage containers. Some are designed to be beautiful and functional, while others are geared more toward functionality rather than current storage trends. Regardless, finding the right containers can help you fight clutter at home. To help you find the best storage containers for your home, we researched many storage solutions looking at size, capacity, material, and more to create this list. Number 1. Best Storage Bin. Iris Weathertight Storage Box. The Iris Weathertight is our favorite storage bin for nearly any organizational need. We've been using this bin for years, organizing office supplies, medical supplies, keepsakes, and holiday decorations. The numerous latches all around the lid provide a secure fit and seal, keeping contents safe. With nearly straight sides and interlocking lids and bottoms, they're easy to stack and fill with just about anything. The 26.5 quart size we tested is one of our favorite sizes. It's large enough to fit a lot of stuff, while still small enough that you don't have to dig too deep to find small items. As with any storage container made from polypropylene plastic, spoiler alert, most of them are. The Weathertight isn't meant to take the cold. Temperatures below freezing make it brittle and prone to cracking, not great for garage, attic, or vehicle storage. These are also relatively expensive, but we think their strength, superb latches, and impressive usability at every size make them worth it. What we like: great latches and seals, efficient shape for storing and finding items, versatile stackability. What we don't like: polypropylene is brittle in the cold, a bit more expensive than others. Number 2. Affordable fabric bins. Simple Houseware foldable cubes. There are plenty of seemingly alike collapsible fabric bins out there, but not all of them are as friendly on the wallet as the Simple Houseware foldable cubes. These budget-friendly fabric boxes easily fold up when you want to collapse them, and they are attached on the inside to prevent you from losing pieces. Accent fabric around the rim adds a tinge of classiness that other contenders don't offer, and they come in many colors. And though we have a hard time using the word sturdy when talking about a fabric-covered cardboard bin, these are pretty solid for what they are. What we like: collapsible for easy storage when not in use. Many colors are available, simple and inexpensive. What we don't like: a bit small. Lightweight construction won't support heavy items. Number 3. Best under bed storage. Rubbermaid Cleverstore Stackable. If finding the best bin to maximize under the bed storage space is your goal, you've found it. The Rubbermaid Cleverstore is the right height for sliding under a bed or perhaps a tall couch. This little box goes beyond the basics to be impressively helpful. Its clear lid allows for easy viewing of the contents, and snap-on latches keep the cover in place, rather than being super long and skinny. Like some others, this bin combines the perfect length and width for most people. 2 of these boxes fit perfectly end-to-end under a queen-sized bed, allowing us to fit a combined total of 6 bins underneath. And the perks don't stop there. As the name suggests, these containers can stack on top of each other. What we like: very efficient dimensions. Clear material makes it easy to find items, easier to carry than similar models. What we don't like: latches aren't the strongest. The lid will bow if overstuffed. Number 4. Best fabric storage. Prandom large collapsible storage bins. If you're hunting for a moderately sized storage bin to help you organize right out in the open, the Prandom bins are our top choice. Though they have the same fabric over cardboard construction as pretty much every other fabric box out there, these are cleanly constructed of attractive materials that look impressively professional. Thanks to their functional lids, they can easily stack in a closet or corner of the room, and the simple metal-lined handles don't waste any space. We wouldn't recommend using them to carry textbooks around, but they had no problem when full of shoes or board games during our testing. What we like: clean and professional look, sturdy for a fabric bin, stackable. What we don't like: metal handles on the long sides are a bit awkward. Limited color options. Number 5. Great for craft supply organization. Sterilite Gasket Box with Latches. Though it won no awards this time, the Sterilite Gasket Box with Latches was the second highest scoring bin in our review. Like the Iris Weathertight, the gasket box is sturdy, with easy-to-use latches that snap into place and a seal to keep contents confidently safe. The 20-quart size we tested proved to be a great option for everything from small craft supplies to heavy magazines. Sterilite also makes several other size options to fit whatever you're trying to store. As with any polypropylene bin, the gasket box becomes brittle in temperatures below freezing and can break easily. The tall, narrow configuration isn't quite as versatile as long, low boxes, which is something to keep in mind. Still, if this brand has the size you need, we think their performance is genuinely silver medal worthy. What we like: sturdy latches. The sealing top gives good protection, fairly sturdy bin. What we don't like: polypropylene isn't great in the cold. A tall and narrow shape may be an odd fit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.